now. Joy curtain and get like a breeze or you go out the door. We don't have money, you know, you still like Villarreal's. Like Villarreal's, we don't have money.
Jesus.
So you can't have your fun around saying a broad day. Joy curtain and or if you know joy curtain, you go out the door. We don't have no money and JPS people are thief people nowadays with their light.
So you know, sis, but we will go eat the kawana, no money, no me now work, no. How we go manage? When I get the car to work,
I know they are trying. You know, with it on front shop become, you know, money to pay them back and all they see for a pad bill. You know.
on your road, go see what I can do. I go back for me or something. Yeah.
Alright.
Biar kasih. Oh. Go back.
Alright. Udah.
Yeah, this room is also up here.
Alright, thanks.
Nothing, but I think.
Yeah, my dear, just sit down and try to make it my work because if you get to work more than fear, you can play so much.
It's alright, you know, anything here, I say I'm babes, you know. Yes, I need to Reupload by says and I go over. Yeah, that.
Alright.
How are you got in a bag?
Our boyfriend bring a little food from the cook. You want some?
Me? No, sir. You know, I'm not at the food. A good time at the with them this way, my car come here. We dead for hungry.
Stop be like you eat that boy tie. Boy not tie nobody. You say you're hungry and he's not hungry. We not have enough to eat. So I call him and he bring the food come. I'm going to say I'll cook for me and you. Nothing about no tie, nothing.
No, me and you. My parents dead for hungry. Then them no food for your piece of boyfriend. Me don't feel alive. I don't want none of that. You alone. Make him tell you one.
If you don't want them to wear it on the day, be hungry. Hello? Yes, this is her. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Kira! Guess what? I get one work.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Thank God, finally. No more separation.
The girl can call me and tell me to get through my boy. The teeth then start show like a guinea pig.
You just get the car on?
Yeah. And I said book on Monday, bright and early and dress good and something.
Thank God you didn't miss the call.
Mm-hmm. I sleep I'm here for now we can back up with fun.
So you have fear or something? Or you go up to your boyfriend?
Now I'll see.
At least I can borrow it and then you give me back.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get my work, sister. My time now.
Yeah.
No more separation.
No more.
Alright.
No more God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
We did just have catch up some water. Come call and go help me.
Alright.
Thank God.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
How are you there?
Yeah, be alright.
You can come here, please.
Wait, no?
Yeah.
Alright, me up.
Mm-hmm.
going on?
They hear me get my work, you know. They got me this morning.
I get to work?
Eh?
It's, I feel happy.
Why am I happy? No more separation. Me can buy my sister anything no one is sitting there. And we can pay feel like bill on his day. So I want to be.
And that's good, man. We have a fear.
So I can get $500 to my fare
When you want it? When you go?
Monday.
Monday, I go? Alright, but it's Sunday we can get it.
Alright.
So you have clothes and things for it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, good.
So we are do after this.
Like, well, go finish doing my do for my father.
I think I done that from there.
Alright, there.
Oh.
So, no hug, no kiss? Very easy, come here.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
You come to work now, sis?
Yeah.
You didn't even have no help,
Me
right?
don't-
You didn't have no little handbag.
I
But
just say.
soon, sis, soon, probably by Friday, because remember you get paid Friday.
Good night suppose me not have.
Alright, so God protect you and guide and cover you. Stay safe on the road, sis, and just call me, right?
Just watch out for praying until me come back.
Yeah, man, later.
Yo, I'm going to replace my look here and man up and tell me about when you look here for Harlem and something.
What I mean by man I tell you what you look for me for? Maybe think you want stranger or some kind of know so me have somebody.
It's in a tell them say have man.
Why me tell them that the people me work with?
You know matter, make them know so they don't try to look you.
But me can't stop people from look me.
If you make them know say you have a man and don't make them mush you over here.
But me can't,
Don't touch up
me
me
cannot
and
make people know say me have man because and a man me come and work for look and a man make me there to work. Me there to work because I want money. So if you come there and you ask me and them say, where you come here so ask me for them can't say I am a man because I never tell them that.
What me want to know is, how you come here replace the ask you man about women ask you care for?
Me cannot know that as I tell you before. I can't know that. I work for them.
Man, you're not man in a something or something like that.
Me and in a business. What the problem? We not get. Tell me we not get. Cause me tell some me in a business. And start load up your mouth here. So can't make people look far away.
Yeah, but me not like how man come go on like
But
say.
on me cause that
Yeah, me
you
a
just
business,
come
man
there,
come out
then
women
can't
are
think
safer.
you're a stranger, then can't think you want to come kill me. Anything, then can't think then don't know say I'm a man.
If you
Yeah.
never find out say I'm that man not
Hello, don't currency enough for me. You make a dollar.
Yo, so me talk to you and walk off.
Brother, me not have time for your
How we have time, brother?
foolish. Me not have time for your foolish. Alright.
Come on, dear.
Kami handa e boy man just cuss down the show. Kamara magamata bo me manan sana tawo. Feel man I work, I'm just start work.
Exactly. That makes sense. So what is it? What is it really?
But me have man I work and blah blah blah. And this and that and a cast one bag of job upon the rubber people I walk and I look for me.
I get to know you any arguments because all the time I want to call someone look good again.
But me just start work. I'm not 5 man I work already. I'm just start work.
You know,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
still.
Well, if it's that I have a problem, is that from day when I'm supposed to come embarrass me on real like that.
True, it's true. But you know, see a man still and stop going like you know. If him come and apologize, You go smile and you go accept you apologize. You not go good again. Stop being like
When
that.
I ask him, you apologize. Me spit in nine place.
Yeah, you know what's there for that? I have never seen you do it yet.
Me just not like boy style, yo.
Anyways, finish about that because as I said, I get now your name business, come been there and done that and shame myself. I can't have hours work.
I did alright. Everything is alright until this boy just come
I
and
said, I don't want to hear about him. What will you do?
Then make me share coffee. Make
Like assistant to him. So then give you one laptop and something.
yeah.
Oh, well that we can work with that. Well, not really matter still as long as you get money and an honest bird and you not do nothing wrong. So that good. So what we going to eat, you know? You not get paid till Friday.
If you never in the same day, what make you party? Where you see my say no one yam.
Me hungry now, so we eat. Probably can share.
Tell you. We don't really people, you know, them have eat what they got.
True, sis. Well, I don't know. You don't have to food?
Yeah. Oh yeah, dear. I work now for
I'm really sorry about some things that happen in the country.
No, I'm not time for that right now. I can't go to work.
Stop one second. I'm sorry for showing you.
I can't go to work. I want next out talk.
Say I accept my apology.
When time I go to work, I think about that.
Alright, here we go. Love you.
Yeah.
Wait. Nothing I love you back? You love me again because of that?
Evening, sis.
Even.
How are you look so? How are you?
I'm just tired enough.
Oh. So how was work? Everything alright?
Yeah, everything go good.
You know you didn't say they want another worker?
No, but me here, someone else ask other worker though.
Oh. Alright then. That's all good. Why am I still saying? It kill me, you know? You know, from morning, I wake up and just happen, so.
Me kinda, me a little way about that so bad.
So, I see you be here and your boyfriend out there this morning, I'm here, I apologize and bowl love you. When the smell out there, wait for you to come out?
Me just pull it down and see what here now. My father doing that. Me just pull it down and see what here. And it's about him come to apologize and see. No, not apologize, yeah.
Whatever, I know say your son call her lay down the makeup, so I'm not listen to you.
Elika and Kira,
No, you hear yourself.
and every time people like take foolish.
But the thing I say, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to apologize over and over and you have to accept your apology, so stop showing off and go like that. You're going to do.
Yeah, right. I said, sis, evening.
However,
The people are hear me up?
what?
Yeah. I don't know for what. I just got there this morning and then say, then get lay off, so no.
So we can't just do next to them. We have to go find something to do now, though.
Me I go and look on different ones still or something or all one of my friend them say them all try get me somewhere.
2 months you work at this and then you're up already. How comes?
You know what them all try get me as yet, but then say them all try get me little something. And so I'm surprised too.
We like to them have something going on the page. So for what do you never really have people, you know? That's just weird.
It won't
Next
that
thing.
you done good. But I need something.
What about your father with your friend? You never say my friend for how long now, that not come true yet?
No, it means that my friend said something she always surprise me and if I man or talk about it or whatever. Remember she work at a place, you know.
Oh, she work with your father there?
Yeah, so
Who would have glad for you going to find because Jamaica just not go out with nothing.
make sure say she will make me know still, so just us down and
I
wait.
reply that sis require you not go for her.
See face black up.
Boy, every time it's not just a while ago, I remember mommy. So we only get single mother when we just born and the woman just girl left me. No way I feel better, I would never even ask for that, so.
I didn't go past with it.
We're going. Boy, she's really sorry about that, and my promises say me I find something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I find something because I'm not going to see you, so.
And man, me don't mind that place now, because I know what kind of foolish that. The month not even done good yet. They not even pay me the full money yet, you know. Because
No, they have to pay the money.
they shot me, you know.
What?
They shot me. That's why me on the whole damn thing.
That can't work, my sister, that can't work. They have to get your money, you know, so man. That can't work. I'm going to say, I think you must dog, yeah.
I'm so mad. Carry that man my box to give up.
No, I'm back to the body.
Hey, right from the clock.
Mình đợi gì vậy?
Right from the clock. Non
Chị bay yêu một man. Em cứ quay là bà yawa.
That's why it's
No. Pun Fernando kasar. You know, say people alien ya.
And what?
They alien me off. Like me not work for them anymore.
Why not that?
No, I'm not even catch 2 months bullet and then lay me off.
But in other sense.
Alright.
And now they're going to lose.
Yeah, then lose it true.
Everybody give up on the boy and lose big time. Anyways, your father, where you find for you? What going to be?
Me hear one cause some but my father no want tell me as yet, so me I go and wait and see.
And I want to find for you still. So what can I want?
More the same thing. If I go over there and I get money, you know, I'll start up my life. I'm not feeling no more pauperized or whatever they want to call it. A poor life. Right now, me go back to what they people for my money because they shot me.
I'll put them back down there.
I bring police back and make them on my man by attacking because we mash up any
You
place.
can't walk out and let go your son.
I'm married.
Alright, still later videos like over here.
Yeah.
Yes, my sister. Can we call the work and make him go to the
Here,
bed?
Bob.
Now forward. Okay. We'll go back.
You want to call him to the bed?
Yeah, see.
Safe travel. I love you. Take care of yourself and heal up your father for me.
Yes, no,
Nobody do like some people, you know. Don't forget your sister, don't forget where you come from. You know my number, and we have a phone. Our phone go work both ways. Me call you, you call me. I forgot me, right? I don't like how you answer. You haven't forgot me.
No, it's just that me kind of sad come here, go left you over here by yourself.
You don't worry about that, my girl. Go on and find go make money. Go on, go make money. We know business go, you go left me. You sad too, but me an idiot. When me do why you stay and suffer. Come on, friend.
Theater.
Safe travel.
Yes.
Alright. Yes. That's my sister.
Let's put it around.
here.
How old is?
My boyfriend.
I think when you say, yeah, I got surprised one day with boyfriend, I did white man you go come with. When you could have one family, when me could have married, you can get to go up. I see a man from Jamaica where if you come back up with.
Yes, see a man I go over with. I see a man I come back over with and go back over with.
You're joking, you know. So I go on anyway, come and talk about that. What go on?
Here.
Come on, come inside. I say, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you book Airbnb because I know you're hype from them time. Come on. Well, my sister, so happy to see you. You look nice, too.
Thank you.
Give me a hug again. Welcome, my friend. Sit down and go chat. So, you want to stay here too, or are you one?
No, you're not steering me. I'm one.
Oh, okay, you don't say I like him. If 5 years ago you left him, I like him. I think say I would like him now.
But I think that was stay here. I forgot to build a house here.
So, just because you build a house, you want me to tolerate somebody who I don't like? You want to say me have blood, you know? And that's what I know.
But that's still not so why you have you teach everybody me there with a way of doing lesbian?
No, I would never tell her to do that. I just don't like him. I want white man, really want you to deal with rich white man so we can reach out.
But under your body, you can't tell me what to do. And my feelings now.
Alright. You just come and you just reach, yeah? You enjoy Jamaica. Nobody with them talking.
Yes.
Done with that. So, what going differently now?
There, so me I come back and spend the holiday with you.
Alright, I like that. So, you go out, go party, beach.
Beach,
You change up your Western already? Can you know what that means about
No, can't do it tomorrow.
Oh, so me will go and go look some favorites that we like because we already have some in our freezer. What you say? I can't sandwich with breadfruit.
Yeah.
Alright, so me will go in the kitchen here, alright?
Alright.
Come on.
So now I can go in all here. When me and my sister don't catch up, me link you back on something.
I can't stay with your sister and watch her thank you too.
No man, no, not like that. A long time, I've seen this sign 5 years now.
Alright. When do we have your car? Here?
Mm-hmm.
Kira! Come on.
Yan mo kaya. Sabi niya na mag-born ang gusto mo kong girl.
Oh, come things here, so you can tell me, come here, look fast, now people do that.
No, sana no like that. But your ears say,
You don't want to 8 years ago, tomorrow. You want me to say, my sister come from foreign. 5 years and come back to this here man. Where she have you?
wala.
Now me idiot sister, Kayla, come from foreign after 5 years before she gonna look rich man and rich out. And she come back, she gonna bring up him. She might him she left here and she come back for you and she might bring him up back.
So she bring nothing for you?
Me don't know because she just come me and her and there.
When I get to my money, you remember your friend, remember your good up friend.
Me can't forget you.
Okay, make sure.
But you know, me and I go plan a scheme with that. That boy there and my sister now go serve. She and
Yeah,
the
man.
before she left.
Anything for my friend, we're nasty. Let them go.
Later, you know, time me I go in. I'm sister. It's up here.
Alright, later.
My friend, text me.
Alright.
Right now, probably in her face, I see I look on the ring. The diamond and a glitch, right? Then you never see it missing.
I like it. It is nice. I'm just like a diamond. If you look at short finger then.
I say you're nice, you know, so anything you get, not to think twice.
I didn't expect this though.
But I mean, so you have to expect the unexpected.
You're full of lyrics, bro.
Everything will be nice enough. Everything will be just perfect.
Well, me, I didn't get enough to teach them. I'm not going to me, I know.
If you listen to me, that's that birth straight, guys.
So, yeah. I can see her with me tonight, please.
You sure I'm a steer?
Yeah.
I might get something shaking. I don't know. You know, like.
Okay.
Hey, come on.
Good morning, sleeping.
Morning.
How are you gonna make you sleep so long? You know how long you sleep?
I'm not sleep on the plane, you know.
Oh my god, you're so... You're still out your teeth. What is?
Nari?
In purpose?
Yeah. We got one nice beach and something. Like, in call me and say, he might take me out and for something. By the time I go girl, cause you not argue before, I never expect none of this neither. By the time I go girl, one piece of pasta.
Are you happy?
Yeah, why not?
You smile, you jaw them hope you so. You're trying to say that boy don't want you. I green card and you want for money when you come down with when me see you have in your room, you want.
And I said that me can't take for you now.
You know that
Everybody a judge. Everybody judge. You know good for judge book by cover.
It's not called judge. Listen to me, me a bigger sister. Me a more sense. I remember seeing her so right to the person. You not think. Remember, you know, when I did there that the boy didn't think you did not even did the power straight level. Every minute on the course, on the good, on the course, on the good.
Yeah, but people change.
So I never engage long time. Why never just surprise you with one ring?
People change. People change.
Alright, Miss Kayla. Alright. Okay. Miss RPA, you know. Anyways, guys, we make some breakfast here in our kitchen. And I can't believe, say, you really not listen to him. You not listen to him. I said, the boy don't want you. He only give that ring up on your finger because he want your money and a foreign he want go. The boy has scam you. But you're going to learn that long run. You're going to learn.
We shall see.
We come and go eat the breakfast, Mrs. I don't even know why boy last name. Be sure you come down like him. But we have to call Rihanna right now because Rihanna needs to know what, hey, Father God. You know what, I'm even about to call her. I'm going to go check her. You just me up and check her. You don't know what going on.
What one?
I can't believe my sister live there a weekend. And the piece of man she have proposed already this man, she wake up with big bling bling for her finger.
So I can't always have whole heap of grudge for your sister.
And I whole heap of grudge, Rihanna. Give the boy no want her. You don't know that little dirty foot boy there? He only want the green card and her money. I scare my sister, I don't want her. I'm here to tell her she not listen.
So what you going to do?
We are planning a scheme and the boy not clown out and scam my sister.
So why you want to do that to your sister?
You're my friend or you're my enemy. You don't need to know what I want. You don't know already. I'm not tell you how much time
Alright, to me your friend made me feel.
You're in or you're out?
In for a friend, wow.
Make sure.
Yeah man, me it man.
Tomorrow we text you and time I left her over here. Then you meet up. I will deal with it, right?
Alright.
And I'm going to joke out, you know. I know your style.
Yeah man, me it man.
Alright.
Later my friend.
And they here.
Oh, I feel so. And I just proposed to you, it's supposed to look happy. You look so sad. You regret you already?
No, I know that. It's just that who me expect to be happy with me. They're not happy with me. I would have like go out and celebrate and sitting there.
What do you mean by that?
Now my sister. She not happy say me and married on her someday. Because she happy say you only want married to me because you want green card and my money and one bag.
And my sister get married now, me and you. Your sister not relevant right now.
I understand what you have said about me not worry about she has said because I know for your life and my life me don't want. But you have to understand I'm my only sister, you know. I'm my only sister. So me like me have to me I go feel a way because me not have nobody else by myself. You come and with one is in the life, she should be happy for me. See him way all she don't like the person.
Sis, me I come up on the road there.
So me alone you see? You know see your brother-in-law. You see what me I talk about?
Alright, so before you go on fire, we have make plans to love and sleep at 7 to that's no.
Yeah. Why not? We can marry then, or we can go back before married.
Or we can go to the married.
We can do that, yes, but really, I remember that.
So James, I forgot that. I think I know when I come up to Jamaica.
Well, me there here now, we'll get married, and that's all matters.
Alright, then I'll go up and I'll some feet.
Yeah, I'll get some for me.
Yeah, we can do this.
Alright.
What's going to come up?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, may I take off the chain, right? You're supposed to come up here. Come on, me and call the girl and you take long. You know we have to pass out. Ask him to fix the chain for you, right? I go stay from back of that chair and video it. When time you go on the aisle, just ask him to fix the chain and turn around the ears up and make him fix the back of your video, right? Alright, well. Go on, you're supposed to come. Can take one little while to walk slow, yeah?
Excuse me, sir. I have to do something. You know, somebody did left here. I can't do without it. And it just pull off.
All the time. Alright, later.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
See video, girl? So I'm going to edit it my man dance now. Like in the like gear where you go 3 different parts, she's not going to know saying about that.
Right, yeah, right,
So yeah. Said that boy has come my sister. Come on, yeah, come go buy one case, you deserve it.
yeah, yeah.
No girls, no boy can scam my sister, girl. No. So, we did get one advice over from one of my friends them. With him I say, you know, it's not we can't get the number. So when I go put the power when you walk up, and you say, thanks here, why you say, no. Right? Alright.
Boy, you know, easy, you know.
Tell her say, girl, nobody not scam my sister. And she want to carry up man before me. Me and her blood, you know, she can carry me up on the green card. Sure. See it now? So me go record you know, I say no, right? Serious, Mariana?
No.
Alright. Yes, my friend. Like, we're in a free system with me.
No.
Right. So me go show her the video, you know. Can't tell me say this a relationship and I mash up after this. You think say your friend an editor. Anyway, that's why we party there tonight.
Boy, I'm gonna make a club go drink two rum and enjoy with some cab. I want like
Club with your serious man only there is a long for your man now make a got top nice yeah. Go and go cook for your man. Go on. Yes, sir.
Really king of Barry.
Say, are you sure? Let's walk out.
My God, there you go. How we are talking? Your fiance?
Yes.
You not done your door last night.
No, we not sleep.
Sleep? When you take over the bathroom and I couldn't even be able to change clothes me have this from yesterday. You know, I learned about the Monday now, but let me show you because I have proof. I'm not gonna just not talking on me. I come with my proof them.
What kind of proof you talk about? You can't come to me with no proof with my man.
Me can't tell you nothing about your man. Or what is?
No.
Let me see about that.
You
No,
want
let me see
No,
about that.
there is nothing. I will send it to your phone. There is nothing to be seen. The man have next woman a lock, ask boy if you want chain for lock or whatever. And then I don't know why I do a lock girl chain and
Send the
ask
plate
for
to my phone.
I want me about for you and I'm see me now. I'm say me a video but me know you never did that go believe me. Me know. Me send it to you. I'm sorry for you. So me send it there. Anyways, the man want to rent. So you go send it to me car like right there. So I have to go Western Union.
How much money a man forget?
The man telling an idiot should not even remember how much for your rent.
Can you just tell me how much is the rent a month?
45,000.
Okay.
So, I'm going to be that change because.
He said,
Alright.
hello? Malika, come over here now, please. Alright. Oy, stop. Mabala ko na.
Oh, God.
May call over here for sure this. I want this.
No.
Oh, wait. I never that happened.
Let me buy another that I'm so I want this.
The girl just stopped me and big me like our chain. I'm just like our chain for you.
But then that me see ya so me I see someone else here so.
Let's see this again.
No.
Oh, wait, as my sister, I never did something. You know, she said sister try to set me up.
Oh, you know say I'm a sister. Oh, you know say I'm sister. My sister not know where you are, so you know say she. Oh, you know say I'm a sister.
I just know she sister because the sister alone is just foolish and can't edit good. And she didn't have a problem with it.
That's still not say I can she. Why my sister would have do this and come show me?
Alright, yeah, come over and see it and just hear me.
May I listen?
Alright, free this.
No.
You keep on repeat,
That sound like my voice there. You know, she said something for illusion this. I don't know voice, you know your man voice. You know your husband voice. Here.
No.
It kinda similar to your voice when you just your voice rough and this sound rough.
B, you know, she start try to play a mind game by you. Alright, listen good again. The girl said thank you at the end. You hear that?
No.
I've been sure you know. I'm gonna say my sister tricked me. I'm sorry about that.
I'm gonna fight against me.
I'm really sorry about that. Oh my god. No, I say my sister not really like it for sure. Why should I have that?
Right, I'm afraid of your sister, you know. That's why I'm not even too long because, you know. Right now, I don't even know what else she will do.
Me understand what you say. Me I'll talk to her still because I know kind of style him there. So if you make your waste of time come so far for foolish.
That's good job. Get there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start it.
Kira!
Yeah, call me name, Papa.
Do ask me a call to name so far. The video where you send me. I edit it, do
Look like somebody again, big handicap, coming away for the long
Kira never do bother we. I mean, whole of everybody in this house knows say I want good editor. So you tell me, lie me ears.
Oh, so your man, she can't tell us you edit the video.
When you try to listen to the video much in time and hear the girl say thank you.
Thank you for. Thank you, because you give me number. And that's what you thank you for.
Me not say she gave me number, she said no one walk away. Here if I say you have to be up on a big man, then you know you have to go live this house, you know. Cause if you're supposed to be happy for your sister, you're supposed to fight girls.
Your sister for how much years? When you left me and with the house, I've been to take care of you and I go and go there and run me off a man.
But you put innocent people in our something.
Let's because I want to never know. I don't edit the video since me I show you true and you make your boy country can tell the foolishness.
You know,
Yeah,
treat me
maybe
military, hear the, like, me watch the video more than one time. I'm hear the girl say thanks. Nobody now say thanks like that. I mean, she give me number.
Alright then, alright, so what you trying to say?
Me say you have to go leave if I say you continue now. I'm not sure.
Alright, Miss Kayla, alright. But remember, me did warn you, and the man there gonna be there to you.
Okay.
One day I go regret you here. Is that alright? We left your place.
What shall we have a big bag?
This is time to be over, man.
I'm plenty than water, girl.
Exactly, that's what I say.
Well, as a good friend, me can put your tiller up back by your foot.
You sure?
Yeah, man, me go talk to my boyfriend about it. Although he not really say nothing. But you can talk to him about it, but you can go and go set yourself and be a dancer.
Alright, girl, thanks.
I mean, I have to go see your sister and have a talk to her.
Girl, plan A never work, so we are going to plan B.
So what plan B?
You know, so I'm not sure, you have no idea.
Well, kidnapping. Girl, me and somebody will love laugh. You see laughing for my face? You can know when me laugh, I'm serious. Cause anybody will come, when message my friend, message me.
Yeah, see you when a girl.
Yeah.
Alright, so you think we can make it look like in a bar so she can come to me and a ball and ask me to come over my house and me have one spare key, you know?
Yeah, that can go on.
Alright, so I use the spare key and go to my house and take the well and money because I know it code to I see for anything.
Yeah, you can do that.
Alright then. But how are you going to kidnapping though? You know,
Well, we're going to use a bag and get one rope and the little spray gun them we can use that to hold him up and put it back over my head.
alright, you can do that, girl. You want too much show, right? You want too much show, come on.
Bye. Yo. Yo. No,
Good
really.
evening. Evening.
I come to get the stuff then.
Which stuff them?
Sis, take one idea. If you see man, we need to get me come to get yours and tell them man. We can't go in our.
So what you want to do that, so? You try not going to mess up enough, you know? And not now you have to.
Excuse me? I feel your place this? And my sister place by the way, I'm not talk to you. And my sister me a talk to. No make me have nothing in the boy, you don't know who is me. Me a talk to my sister.
I feel a place now, right now you don't have no place
Me
right
not
now.
deal with you, me not deal with you.
Hello, we don't want the drama here, so no bother with you.
You mess right now, don't talk enough, right now, you see that, no? You see that, no? How shop this, you see that, I didn't run things, you know? You
Be
know,
busy
no-
for me.
Hello, me don't want the drama, me don't want the drama. I don't want the drama.
Yeah.
Anything you say, I say go. So if you say no, if you go in there, just not go in there.
Look here. You know what? Right now my head chick, me didn't bother. I'm gonna keep them there. Me I look out
How
on
about
the
that,
place.
Okay, the bill now. I can't bill. I can't even put one problem.
If you have a bill done, no, make sure you never bill.
No, kasi can't understand what you're problem.
Kayla. How are you?
Hey, how are you there?
Where me know me do? Me look okay. I'm not talking to you. Call Kayla for me. Cause me not know.
You have Kayla number. You can ask about Kayla.
Brother, me say call Kayla for me, brother. That me
And
say.
Kayla, my touch with you. And Kayla house.
Are you your house now?
And me and man are yard.
Which boy, you never man, you never have yard man, you want to have you want man, take charge of what? Call my sister, come in and talk to me. There's something wrong with your brother.
Right now, Kayla there. Right now, left for left place. Because we don't know what happened to you.
You can't make me leave this place, go left place. And my sister will come to and I need to see my sister.
Yeah, sir. Right now, I'm not talking to you. I don't want a problem. So right now, I'm going to leave this place. Because I'm not talking chatting.
Why? Open that boy, mash out that, open that door, boy. No. You can't go slam door in my face.
You're not going to hear them. I'm not asking you to
And my
hear them.
sister, me say, you're in there, hear me and call you.
Oh, why problem not you, son?
You're in there, you hear me and call you.
Why not make so much noise
You
at the
come to talk
place?
to your man,
People,
you want me to leave? Tell me, you want me to go? You outside with him? I bet you do? You want me to
yes,
go?
me I said him because none of the years of fear, Kira, and you come and make problem with him. Before you lick you go hear say me make man lick you.
How what if you
Just
leave
don't
in your face?
Yeah, my touch is real.
Kira, look here, me don't want the drama on me already. You know me say, me don't want the drama on me already. Just go, nothing is here
At
for
that
you.
time, I want you, it's alright. The man, they shall be the thing to you.
Stop it. Go eat, man.
Yo, this is
Just one.
You know we are happy. Come on, kind of good. You know how we are doing this one. You know how we are doing it. You know what I see that girl, take the one.
Be it. answer your phone. Let me check if you're there on the veranda. Ay, just scared of me. I'm calling sister. Hello?
Wagwan.
More like come over now, no. Come over now, because when me have to tell you can't talk on the phone.
Me not go over your yard because your man
Just
over
come
there.
now, just
Your
come
man
now.
go over here.
You
Listen
know
to me.
over here. Just come now.
What do you mean you know over here?
In the over here, come. I want to say something to you. You can't talk over my phone.
Alright, me never move here.
Hurry up.
Yeah. What do you?
You want money, guys? Like you take you want money.
Wait,
I'll pass you that.
wait, slow down, I go too fast. Talk again, what you say?
Me going on my series while I come here and say me I was shot man so you can show me so go back. And you want money gonna my passport, you know where they in there.
And what? You feel like see your boyfriend gone with them?
Yeah, because you're my last person that talk to you.
I did tell you, I did warn you about
Yes,
that.
sister did warn you.
Tell her.
Who can hear
You
what
run
you
me out
feel?
and everything. So your boy rob you and take everything to him and go to
I
your
know, me a
passport.
call
Think you
you.
got fine with that?
I don't know why I that them passport, but me know the money gone. And me a
You
call
want
your
to go that
phone
boy
and
then?
it just a go straight to vice me.
See her there? I feel like me have to run you. Run me out to your house
I
and
call
see
your
boy rob you.
mother, I call everybody when I had them say you know today for yourself.
Don't worry yourself. Me and my friend Rihanna go find him for your sis. You don't worry yourself and tap the poo-poo balling. Right now, I should even help you because look how much time I want you. Tell her now.
Yeah, she want much in time, but
Alright.
yesterday you run her up because of some
Alright, don't worry. Me and my friend I go find the boy.
Yeah,
You
right
have to
so.
go down.
Hey boy, wake up. What is it?
You hear what you did for me? You're all gone now. My sister called me a while ago. Balls, crazy and take her money and everything. So you know what got? Me I go back in the house there. And you are going to stay right there. So remember I'm telling you.
Here, please don't do this here.
I don't like you, brother. I don't want you to talk to me about care, please don't do it. I not walk. You got your promise to let my sister alone. Figure out her father, wedding and everything. We let you go.
Go to the place.
So you have to go keep your mouth shut. Because I'm not saying you peace. You go do that, brother? Me not trust that. You go stay here, so. Hey, boy, shut up. See? Me and Rihanna everywhere. We don't see the boy now. We go to the yard. I will play ball. Lace. You know my friend Rihanna, she bad. We don't see him nowhere. My mother said she don't see him. I will leave report in the police station. I will let him pitch down his name and everything. So you don't need to worry yourself about nothing no more. I mean, once you have more money, you go and I say, let me come on there and take me. No, but you're smarter than that.
But me know about that still money cause I eat me the base because they want to do something. Me never want to do the next money.
But me tell you, say, that boy there that you need a plan to do, but you should have listened to your sister. I know how much time I tell you. You can't
Not
go
that
too much
time.
time. Alright, what you not learn? You have to listen to your sister.
But everything is just being nice and something young. Me just never expecting that.
You should have expected from me, I tell you. What you not like listen to me? I that. If you didn't listen to me, then I never go wrong, sis. Not stress out yourself and no worry. We are going to find him, alright? Alright. Well, you want me to cook for you? Tell her to stop stress. Want me to cook your favorite meal?
Yeah, man.
You not plan to be and change your clothes just to worry about your boyfriend?
No, me not gonna stop it because me not see him for much in days, no one night, and me not hear from him.
The boy run away. You think you can't find him and somebody kidnap him? The boy run away with your stuff. You need to stop stress and worry about boy and change him clothes and we have and find when we get up feel. I heard yesterday your man there. You need to change and be and stop stress over it.
Kira, you never been in a relationship, you know. You never been in a relationship like mine, so you can't talk. You only can say stop stress, say stop this, stop that. Plus, thing you got money and all of this cause what? Connect with the blind now. That's why they right to love blind now. Love is blind.
Let me tell you this. You can't stress yourself about what I say. I reported on a station and me and my friends still look out. If we see him, see away. And we know some people, so we are link some links and see if we can find out which part he got.
If you follow police, they would there so till you are rocking in the same chair, same everything.
Yeah, you are going to rat in them clothes.
Yes, because why? If you don't wait for police, they don't reach no way. Our police don't give you what you want.
Anyways, me have to go up on the road because me and my friends say we are going to do one night church. So if you're up yet, we call you, right?
I went since I got church.
We are going to church. We are going to search. Gotcha. You turn forward. We are going to search for him in a night search.
Okay.
Maybe I just start too fast. Night search, right? And you up yet, we call it, right?
Alright.
Yes, go on in. You make my sister run me out of the house. You think you don't get me so easily with the boy?
You think we let her go back now?
Yeah.
Yeah, stay on this.
Like,
You rat me.
Yeah, stay here, so. And me, I'm going to make my sister know she run me with her money and passport and everything you do and me have them. Put back that over my mouth, Rihanna. Come to me one year, boy. Come on, man. Fool that. Finally, be done change after this.
How will you come from these hours? After me not sleep.
Mira, things they are sleep, you know. Me and my friend just done search for your boyfriend. Me not telling you a lie. See you later. We look everywhere and I can't find him nowhere. You finally change your clothes. Stop stress about him. We don't know that now. All we need to do is
I know my belly hurt me.
Can I eat?
No, coming on to eat more money and want to do something.
I did not want about your boy, but it's when you don't see your sister, I like that. See, you know, your money gone, everything, and I'm the same money I have to call come in here. And by the way, why in my room? The room, the room, so you have to go to the room. You love me, you don't want one in your room, but sleep. I'm sure you're in here, I'm thinking gas, but like you're not sleep, one.
Where I come from? You think for money I run where I come from and I'm going to touch me the dirty hand. Where I come from?
It's still not going to kidnap me.
What you mean by my sister and her friend kidnap you? You were the mark up and then look for a whole night and sit no? 2 days now you're gone. Money miss, everything miss. And you tell me about say my sister and her friend kidnap you?
They kidnap me for truth. Tie me up.
Me can't believe nothing what you say, brother, because you take money, everything, you lie. Everything you say, you lie. After me think you change so much years.
Believe me now, please. This sister and her friend kidnapped me and tie me up for truth. Believe me for truth, please. I'm going to go show you which part they kidnapped me and tie me up.
Welcome back to Kira TV. As you can see, Kira is back. I know everybody been asked, Kira stop the movie, Kira not act again. Well, Kira they are back again with the banger movie there. So this is my team I'm working for now. Kavin, Romario, and Kayla. I know Kayla already from TV. So them have them YouTube channel and them I'm gonna tell them to subscribe. Tell them guys.
Alright guys, our YouTube channel and Kira will put it in our description box.
So just go over there and subscribe, like and share and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So my favorite actress Kayla on my YouTube channel. And that girl here shy as you can see that movie, she shy bad. But I come in this guys, I wanna go to face from now on. So just help me to grow back the channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and watch the movie till the end.
And tell a friend, subscribe, comment, and share.
Yes, and Happy New Year to everybody. We don't ever get a chance to tell them about Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Yes! So enjoy the movie and watch it to the end. Remember, if you're new, welcome to the family. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We're out.
Bye-bye!
Bye!